Alright, so there's not a lot of videos on YouTube about replacing the belt for a Eureka Clean Living vacuum cleaner, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate. The equipment you'll need is obviously the vacuum cleaner, you need a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need a replacement belt. Oh, by the way, Christian is on camera here. Since he wanted to make the internet, there he is. Alright, so I've taken the liberty of removing the canister, because it really doesn't have anything to do with this, but just to keep it together. I also have the cord unplugged for safety. Do not plug it into the wall to do this. That would not be safe. So, first things first, to get to the belt, to get access to the belt to remove it, you need to remove 2 screws, one from this side and one from this side. I've already taken the liberty of doing that to save time in the video. So once you have those 2 screws removed, you can pull the top hood off, set that aside, and if you want to come in here, Christian, you can see this belt is broken right here. The belt is loose. You got that? Alright, so we're just going to take that off and throw that away. And here's the replacement belt. So, in order to put the replacement belt on, we have to take this off first. The brush. So you remove from this side first, the end cap, just pop it right out. It's not attached or anything, and once you get that out, the other side will come out as well. You need to put this around the pulley, which I'll try a little bit here. Just kind of get it around the end here. There's a little space to squeeze it in. And once you have that in, then you can go ahead and put the brushes back on. This takes a little bit of effort because it's, the pulley is very tight, the new one, so you'll have to maybe have somebody help you. So put this on the end cap on one side, and then you'll be able to get this positioned on this side so it will get back into place. Kind of turn it a little bit. It's in securely. The brush should rotate freely. You can see the pulley moving a little bit there. And then get your hood and put the hood back in place. Make sure you're clear of the knob here. Get that put back into place. And put the screw in here and screw in here, and you're all set. Don't forget to put the canister back in, but like I said, you don't have to take that out. I just did it just because it's getting cleared out. So, that's our video for Clean Living. Thank you, and enjoy.